this is Carlos from Show Me Coasters. Today we're at our home park at Six Flags St. Louis, opening weekend. Yeah.
Hi, I'm T.
And I'm Tom.
We'll see you inside the park. Well, we just got in the park and we're a little excited. We don't know what ride to ride first. What ride do you think you guys we should ride first? The Batman backward? All right, we will. Oh, this is gonna be weird. Mine's fogging up already. I can't see through my left eye.
I hated it.
I thought it was interesting. It wasn't that bad. Actually, I like the backward better.
It was a little queasy.
No, I feel queasier going forward.
Oh, I think it was, no. The world is not supposed to move away from you.
The biggest headbanger in history of headbangers. What?
New rollers, new wheels.
Or to twist the restraints. Like they did on Vortex. The track looks like curvy. Yeah? Like it like bends in. Actually, it wasn't too terribly bad.
Okay.
Ready? We just got out the Ninja. Of course, it was still a headbanger.
I've ridden it where it was worse though. It wasn't too
Yeah, it wasn't as bad today as it usually was.
Christmas time.
Yeah, Christmas time it was rough.
Clear.
I think this is the first time I've ever ridden
Let's see which side can yell the loudest. Scream as loud as you can when your side goes up.
That's not fair.
We're off to a great start.
No.
Ooh, they came back real strong. I think those are whistles. Nice.
gotta do it again. Get all the way in the back, guys.
It's gonna be tough to pick a winner. Yes, I won't. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride. Once the ride goes really full of complete stop, you guys exit out towards me. Do the exit gate up the steps and out the gate.
Get all the way in the back this time.
Thanks for riding.
Okay, so what we just got off of?
We just got off the Joker.
Joker Inc. Yeah, it's a Buccaneer ship. Swings back and forth, makes you squeezy.
Makes you need pee your pants.
Yeah, so it was fun. It's a fun little ride. This is cool. Exit out through the arcade here. Why didn't you get me a hat? Why didn't you get the bundle of 500 tickets? You could have bought the store out. Alright, now we're heading towards Spinsanity. We're going to meet up with T, and then we're going to head up to Mine Train.
No! Mr. Freeze.
No, Mine Train. Just go in the circle.
Spinsanity, everybody, for your safety and protection, please remain seated, facing forward at all times, and enjoy your ride.
Dude, trigger! This is what you get when you trigger this thing.
I feel like that's
Good job, Tucker.
I feel like
Everybody scream!
oh my god, we're gonna die!
Oh my god, let's get high.
Oh my god!
Alright, you guys, thanks for riding with me. When the ride comes to a full and complete stop, I'm going to unlock your restraints and you can exit to my right.
Alright, probably, I don't know. I mean, we're on the Boomerang with the clothes. You want to go on the Boomerang? Yeah.
Let's go on to Batman.
No.
Batman.
Let's go on the Boomerang.
No, we haven't gone on Batman yet.
It's on the boss before the Batman.
Wow, it's beautiful. A little bit cold, it's still beautiful.
Eagle not running?
Battle for Metropolis. Go backward on Batman Garage. Go crazy for the Mardi Gras parade. But wait, it gets bigger. Go all summer for our giant free water park with the all-new Typhoon Twister.
Welcome back, guys. We hope you enjoyed your ride. Once the ride stops completely, I will unlock your restraints. Once I do, please exit out towards Tidal Wave and enjoy the rest of your day.
I'll tell him. Because I'm the closest. You don't really have.
That's a guy that...
Sam! We'll wait for you.
I don't know when the last time I rode this thing.
The last time I rode this, it was hot outside. It was like when it was like 100 degrees.
Last year?
Yeah. Me and Drake came here by ourselves.
It's not with your mom and dad?
No, mom and dad weren't here. Mom dropped us off with Sissy. She went to work.
Launch us.
The funny part is, like, you could just stand here.
No, we're still
You guys didn't go to the water park? Was that hot?
No, the water park. It was after Labor Day.
Oh my God! Here. Here we go.
Bye bye.
No turning back. Oh my God.
There's Mr. Freeze. Batman sure does look smaller once we get up top, all the way up. You know, we're a bit higher than the swings.
Oh God, here we go.
Who's
Don't know.
gonna go first?
Oh no. Oh, here we go.
Oh. It's you.
It's us.
Oh, we don't get to play.
Oh my God.
Welcome back, guys. Once the ride comes to a full and complete stop, please exit out towards the back.
All clear?
This is 42 years old.
It's big, 42 years old. So cold.
Hey, we're in the flood.
It's a smoky cigarette.
Probably a lot of people did.
Were you allowed?
Back in the day. Probably back in the day. Here we go. So we just got off Screamin Eagle.
Hurt.
It hurt. Yeah, it was pretty painful actually. Yeah. But it was fun. And before that, you guys rode.
Boomerang.
You rode the Boomerang, yeah. You rode the Boomerang. How was it?
Rough.
Rough? Cold. Yeah. Go.
Okay. This is a construction update on the helix removal. There were rumors that said that they were going to remove it, and it turns out they actually did. So, that's just a 180-degree bank. I'm done.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, what about?
It was fun.
That is a fun one.
One of the best rides this park.
Oh.
Yeah, and everyone says, oh yeah, it's just a clone of everything else. There's only two. There's only two.
Well, we had fun. It's a bit cold, but we got a lot of rides in for a couple hours. So that's it.
It's cold.
Weather permit, will be in Six Flags New York or DC next week.